Marshall McLuhan said that one day we would all live in a global village, an electronic community interconnected by communications networks that would shrink the Earth. Well, the global village has arrived, and its main street is called the Internet. We'll visit folks who are doing all kinds of interesting things on Internet.
I think we can see the very beginnings of a new story beginning to emerge. It's a narrative spread across a number of different disciplines in which cooperation, collective action, and complex interdependencies play a more important role.
Says online users are a bunch of antisocial geeks.